ये वतन तुम्हारा है.
Pakistan is the beacon of light for entire Muslim Ummah. We all will make it more and more shining, inshallah.
Have a very, very happy Independence Day to all of you. My friend, at this time I representing the one department of Jamia Binoria Almia, which name is Hufaz English. My friends, Hufaz English is a department which offer 1 year English language course where many students come and be that specialized in English. At the end, I would like to really thank Maulana Usman Sadiq, who is the department in charge of Hufaz English, and Sheikh Numan Naeem, who is the Vice Chancellor of Jamia Binoria Almia, and he is leading us in a very best way.
I don't know much really about Pakistan. I just know that this country is the result of many sacrifices and it's very precious. We should take care of it.
I am really happy that I belong to Pakistan. The means of Pakistan is pure peace of earth. May Allah keep pure this world forever.
Pakistan is very beautiful country. Allah Pak has given a lot of blessing and blessing on it. We should thankful Allah.
I think Pakistan is the most cultured country. Pakistan has beauty of human. It has beauty of mountain. It has beauty of rivers. It has beauty of nature. I love that all things.
We love Pakistan.